How are luxury cars made? Do they use a different production line than regular cars, or do they all come from the same place? Well, the process of manufacturing high-end automobiles is quite complex and involves a lot more than just slapping a fancy badge on an otherwise ordinary vehicle. In fact, there are some car makers who only make luxury models. Today we're going to take a peek behind the curtain and find out how some of the most opulent vehicles on the road are brought to life. So let's get into it. One way that luxury car manufacturers are able to produce such high-quality vehicles is by having dedicated production lines specifically for their high-end models. This means that these cars are not just given special treatment at the end of the assembly line, but rather they are produced start to finish with greater care and precision than their mass-market counterparts. For example, the Mercedes-Benz EQS, which is the electric version of the S-Class sedan, has its own independent production line at the company's factory in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. The reason why this is important is because it allows workers to focus solely on producing a top-notch product without having to worry about meeting the demands of a larger, less discerning customer base. Additionally, having a dedicated production line also allows for greater flexibility when it comes to customization, as buyers of luxury cars often want their vehicles to be tailored to their exact specifications, whether it's the color, the materials used, or even the inclusion of certain performance upgrades. A dedicated line can accommodate these requests much more easily than one that is shared with more mass-market models. Finally, by keeping the production of these high-end vehicles separate from other models, manufacturers are able to maintain the exclusivity and prestige that these cars are known for. After all, if everyone on the street has one, then nobody has one. Another thing that sets luxury car manufacturing apart is the use of higher quality materials. Whether it's hand-stitched leather upholstery, polished wood trim, or custom paint jobs, these cars are often loaded with features that are not found on more affordable models. This not only makes them more comfortable and enjoyable to drive, but it also gives them a certain level of sophistication and refinement that is highly prized by affluent buyers. For instance, Bentley's Mulliner division specializes in creating bespoke interiors for the company's ultra-luxury cars using the finest leathers, woods, and metals. Similarly, Rolls-Royce is known for its highly skilled craftspeople who hand-stitch the leather upholstery in its cars to exacting standards. The attention to detail and the use of premium materials not only make these cars more luxurious, but they also ensure that they will stand the test of time. Unlike mass-produced vehicles, which often feature cheaper materials and mass-produced components, luxury cars are built to last and to be enjoyed for many years to come. This contrasts with the fast-paced, high-volume production methods used for mass-market vehicles where speed and efficiency are prioritized. For example, when it comes to painting a luxury car, several coats of paint are applied and meticulously polished to achieve a flawless finish. In contrast, mass-market cars often have paint applied in a single automated process that is designed to cover the body quickly and evenly. Another area where luxury car manufacturing differs is in the assembly process. Because these cars are often more complex and have more features than their mass-market counterparts, they require a more skilled and experienced workforce to assemble. This means that the assembly process for luxury cars is typically slower and more labor-intensive, but the end result is a vehicle that is more reliable and better equipped to withstand the test of time. While this approach may not be as cost-effective as mass production methods, it is an essential part of what makes luxury cars so appealing to their target market. These buyers are willing to pay a premium for a vehicle that is not only stylish and powerful, but is also meticulously crafted and built to last. By taking the time to produce each car to the highest standards, luxury manufacturers are able to build a loyal following among discerning drivers who appreciate the finer things in life. A big part of making a luxury car is making sure the ride is smooth and quiet. That means focusing on noise, vibration, and harshness, or NVH for short. To reduce unwanted sounds and bumps, engineers use extra bracing, sound-absorbing materials, and even balance the engine and transmission to reduce vibrations. It's all about making sure the ride is as smooth and peaceful as possible. In addition to the standard features found in most luxury cars, many manufacturers also offer a range of optional upgrades that allow buyers to tailor their vehicles to their specific needs and preferences. For example, BMW's M division offers high-performance versions of many of the company's luxury sedans and SUVs. while Mercedes-AMG does the same for Mercedes-Benz. These performance upgrades often include more powerful engines, stiffer suspension, and upgraded brakes, allowing buyers to enjoy the thrill of driving a sports car while still enjoying the comfort and luxury of a top-of-the-line automobile. Similarly, many luxury car manufacturers offer customization options that allow buyers to choose from a wide range of colors, materials, and finishes both inside and out. This is especially true for brands like Bentley and Rolls-Royce, which are known for their bespoke services that allow customers to create truly unique vehicles that reflect their personal style and taste. Overall, the combination of standard luxury features and optional upgrades makes the buying process for these high-end vehicles incredibly exciting for consumers who want a car that is truly their own. The ability to personalize every aspect of the vehicle from the engine to the upholstery is a big part of what makes owning a luxury car such a unique and enjoyable experience. The design of luxury cars is not just about aesthetics, it's also about aerodynamics. Manufacturers invest heavily in wind tunnel testing to ensure that their cars not only look good but also slice through the air with minimal resistance. This results in sleek, aerodynamic designs that not only make the cars look cool, but also improve fuel efficiency and handling. Some manufacturers even offer different design packages that allow buyers to choose between a more aggressive, sporty look or a more subdued, elegant appearance. Ultimately, the design of a luxury car is an important part of what makes it so appealing to buyers. The combination of style, aerodynamics, and personalization options make these cars stand out on the road and turn heads wherever they go. Technology is another area where luxury cars really shine. Many of these high-end vehicles are equipped with the latest and greatest in terms of driver assistance systems, infotainment, and connectivity. For example, Tesla's Model S is known for its advanced autopilot system, while BMW's X SUV boasts a massive curved display that dominates the interior. These cutting-edge features not only make driving more enjoyable and convenient, but they also enhance the overall luxury experience for passengers. Many luxury car manufacturers also offer head-up displays that project important information directly onto the windshield, allowing drivers to stay focused on the road ahead without having to glance down at a dashboard. Others have developed sophisticated air suspension systems that provide a smooth, cloud-like ride even on the most uneven roads. With so much emphasis on technology, it's no wonder that luxury car buyers are willing to pay top dollar for these vehicles. Not only do they get the status and prestige that comes with driving a high-end car, but they also get access to the latest and greatest in automotive technology. In conclusion, manufacturing luxury cars requires a different approach compared to mass-market vehicles. From dedicated production lines and higher quality materials to slower and more deliberate manufacturing processes and a focus on NVH, these manufacturers go above and beyond to create vehicles that are not only luxurious but also reliable and long-lasting. With a heavy emphasis on technology, personalization, and sustainability, luxury car manufacturers continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in the automotive industry. As technology advances and consumer preferences evolve, we can expect to see even more innovation and creativity in the world of luxury car manufacturing. So what do you think? Are you a fan of luxury cars or do you prefer more affordable, practical vehicles? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.